We're back. A little more what I think. Let's see if this makes my hair shiny as they say. Let's go, L'Oreal. Hey Localtarians, it's Amanda and I am here to talk about another product sent to me by Influenster, and I'm not getting paid for this, guys. This is just going to be my opinion. They send it to me to review, but I am going to give you the true lowdown. All right, that's how it works. That's how it's going to be. That's how I am going to review this. All right, so this product is the Ever Pure Sulfate-Free Color Care System by Loreal Paris. And this is the number one, which is the Glossing Shampoo. Shampooing brilliance, pH balance, intensifies shine, anti-fade, and UV filter. Okay, that's step one. There's 3 steps in this system. And by the way, guys, it is paraben free, 100% vegan. And it, yeah, that's, and what does it say there? Nope, that's it. So it is 100% vegan and it is paraben free, which is always nice to know when you're putting it in your hair. Step 2 is the Loreal Paris Ever Pure Sulfate Free Color Care System, the Glossing In Shower Acidic Glaze. All right, and let's see here. Let's go to number 3. All right, our number 3 is the Loreal Paris Ever Pure Sulfate-Free Color Care System, and it is the Glossing Conditioner, Revitaliscent Brilliance, it says. pH balance, intensifies shine, anti-fade, and UV filter. I will say that the packaging is beautiful, but packaging doesn't make for better hair, does it? And it smells really good. It smells really good. So with these 3 items, guys, I have been trying them. This is actually, let's see, I did it yesterday. I did my hair again with it. It was the second time. So I did notice in the first time I used it that it was very shiny afterwards. I would say it's definitely more shiny than it has been. Kind of hard to tell when it's in a braid maybe, but it's shinier than usual. And that's really, other than smelling absolutely amazing. And honestly, even though, you know, even when I went to go shower, my hair still smelled like the previous time that I had washed my hair. So it was pretty amazing. It is, if you're not into a lot of fragrance though, it may not be for you. It's kind of a citrusy kind of smell. Slightly more perfumey than that, but it's got a lot of citrusy type fragrances in it, especially that number 2 step, that glossing thing. So what do I think about this? I've used it a couple times now and I'm going to continue to use it. Obviously they sent it to me. Basically the way it works, first we'll talk about that and then we'll tell you what I think about it. All right, so this was the shampoo. It's the Glossing Shampoo. As I mentioned, it is vegan and paraben free, so that's a good thing. If you can make your hair shine without extra parabens, that's a good thing. It basically, the way this works, you put this on, and shampoo is normal, really. I mean, there's not a whole lot of difference. Okay, so what they suggest is that 2 to 3 times a week you use this for shampoo. And you just shampoo like normal, okay? When you get done with shampooing and you've rinsed it all out, that's when you're gonna go to this. All right, this is step 2, Glossing In Shower Acidic Glaze. And you spray this all over your hair and work it in. And you do not rinse it out. You leave it in there. In fact, let's see here. I believe you leave it in there for 1 to 3 minutes. Okay. So you do this 2 or 3 times a week as well. You leave this in for 1 to 3 minutes. Once you've rinsed out your shampoo, you put this in, leave it in for 1 to 3 minutes, and then you move on to step number 3. Without rinsing the glaze out, you leave it in. Now you're gonna add your conditioner, which is step number 3. And with this, you're going to leave it on your hair about 1 to 3 minutes after you've put it on and let it sit. And that is the full process. Then you're going to rinse everything out, including, you know, the glaze will come out along with the conditioner, hopefully. And then you just go about your day. Maybe you do a lot of extra styling. This is about as much styling as I do. I know my hair's looking a little busted right now, sorry. Been a long day, I guess. My thing just came off the end here. Okay, it's gonna be that kind of day. But at any rate, yeah, you know, it didn't do anything for my frizz issue. Clearly, I'm still frizzed. I'm still frizzed it up. All right, so what do I think? Well, I already told you it smells amazing. It absolutely does too, guys. I'm telling you. I'm gonna put a little on my hand. Yeah, a lot of citrus notes in there. But there's like a background in perfume as well. So if you're not into really kind of perfumey type shampoos or conditioners or other products for your hair, this isn't going to be for you. But I think it has made my hair shinier. I know my hair's not down right now, so it's a little harder to tell maybe. I will show a before picture so that you can see what it looked like before I went in. And I'm here to tell you that I think that this has done a great job of making my hair shinier. I don't know if it's conditioning it as much as I would like, but overall I really like this. I think it all smells really wonderful. I have a big complaint, however, this right here. Okay, this product seems really wonderful. I like it. It smells great. This thing, absolute nightmare. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I think the product's wonderful. And I knew going in I would have to be very gentle with this cap. Okay, it's pretty obvious. It is not made of a whole lot. Now, I'm sure when I go to do this, it's gonna work perfectly in front of you guys, right? Yeah, see, works fine. But when I'm in the shower, this thing just goes quick-chunk and falls off, followed by a profanity being spewed about this thing, because now I have to sit in the shower with the water running, with stuff in my hair, and try to freaking, you know, get it back on the little pegs on the side and hope that it doesn't come off again when I go to squirt it. And I'm being careful. See, it snaps, and I made it snap, and it still likes to pull off. So today, right now, it's working. Go figure, right? This really smells a lot like citrus, a lot like citrus. I'm gonna just put some in there, deal with that little fuzzy spot. But the product itself, wonderful. I think all three of these products are great. I would like my conditioner to be a little more conditioning maybe, but you know, my hair needs it. It's a very dry, my hair is always very dry. I have a dry scalp as well. So it would be nice if this was just you know, a little bit more of a heavier conditioner, but you know, everybody's different. As far as what it promises, which is shine, this product's absolutely wonderful, and I think you guys will absolutely like it. So if you want to try something new, definitely give it a try. Do you have to get all three? No, you don't. I mean, you can go with the shampoo, you can go with a conditioner, you can go with just the glossing thing if that's what you're into. Do I recommend you get them? Yes, because they're made for each other and they pH balance your hair to match. So if you know, and it's also a color care system, so somebody like myself who colors my hair, this is a really good thing. Would I buy it again? If they change the cap on this is absolutely maddening. I don't know if you can open it up because it seems kind of pressurized, but when this little thing comes off of here, when it pops off, as you can see, it's got two little divots in it, and when those pop, you try to push down on this little L-shaped thing that's sticking out here, you can't. It's nearly impossible. It took me forever to get this thing back on. I wish I could say good stuff about that lid. I really can't. They really need a new design. But other than that, the product is absolutely fabulous, and that's what counts. I'm sure you could open it up and use the product as well. It's probably not the end of the world. I just found it a bit of an annoyance when I'm in the shower to have this thing pop off. And I knew looking at it that I had to be gentle with it, so I was super gentle. And you saw it just worked fine because I'm on camera now. But in the shower, twice now it has popped off in the middle of me trying to do it. Now I will say that the second time I used it, knowing how, you know, how gentle I needed to be, it worked a little better, but it still popped off and it still gave me trouble. And sometimes you're in a hurry when you're doing your shower routine. You ain't got time for that stuff to happen. But overall, I would say this product and the other two products, they're all really wonderful. And again, that is the Everpure Sulfate-Free Color Care System by Loreal Paris. And it's the 3-step process to having a shinier hair. So give it a try, guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you think if you try this product or if you've ever tried this product. I'd love to hear your opinions. Maybe you had better luck with this cap. Maybe I did something wrong. I mean, it looks like you're supposed to press that, right? I'm not crazy. But yeah, maybe there's a solution. Maybe I can put a rubber band on here and keep it on there better. I don't know. If I could, then this would be ideal because I really like the product. I think it's very nice so far. So good. And you know, I think it makes my hair nice and shiny. And yeah, and it makes it smell wonderful. Not that my hair doesn't usually. I try to take care of it. So yeah, that is pretty amazing. All right, guys. Well, that is all I have for you this time. And again, I want to say thank you to L'Oreal Paris. Thank you so very much for sending me your product, and for Influenster for sending it over to me. And yeah, you know, they're great. I love doing reviews for this company. They're amazing. They send me some amazing stuff. I've had, you know, Revlon. I've had L'Oreal Paris now. I've had some other products as well that were name brand, all name brand stuff. You know, I appreciate it. I like to give my opinion about things, as you guys know. I literally have a segment called What I Think. And so this was a perfect fit for me. And I want to thank Influenster a lot, and especially all the people that are providing the products. Thank you, L'Oreal Paris. This has been a wonderful experience. So thank you very much. And if any of you want to see more, I'm going to be putting up reviews about the products as well. And like I said, even though I didn't have the best review on the lid, on that little trigger thing, you know, the product itself is amazing. And I feel like people need to know that. But they also need to be prepared for things like the lid coming off like that. I think it's only fair. So, you know, you're always going to get the honest opinion of me. Nobody paid me for this. It was just literally something they asked me to look at and get my opinion on, and that's what I did. And I hope they appreciate that, you know, I'm just looking out for them and trying to give everybody, you know, critiques and information. You guys are what's important to me. I want you guys to have the right info. So thank you for spending this time with me. I hope you enjoy these reviews. Thank you so much for tuning in to Local Love today, and peace. Amanda's out. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun, and follow us on all of our platforms. We'll see you soon.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.